Dear investors, I'm happy to introduce you Corning Corporation. This company is a glass producer and glass developer company. The company's motto is discovering beyond imagination. How did I find this company? I found the company the same way as I found Lear Corporation. Corning is still on the list, but it's not on the list of 2020 because it's suspended the share repurchase program. So, as you know, Uber cannibals the companies which are extensively repurchase shares every year. The annualized return of Uber cannibals is impressive. It's more than 15%. It's highly overperforms the S&P 500, which performs 9.2 percentage. Okay, Corning, for nearly 170 years, Corning has combined its unparalleled expertise in glass science, ceramic science, and optical physics with deep manufacturing and engineering capabilities to develop life-changing innovation and products. Some segments, some divisions from Corning. The main two segments is display technologies and optical communication, but also the companies present in specialty materials, environment technologies, and life science. But you can see the major contributor to sales is optical communication and also companies present in new 5G technologies. Some important numbers, some highlights, financial highlights. You can see 2017 was a down year, but 2018 and 2019 was consistent. Net sales in 2019 was 11 billion and net income is around uh, 960 million US dollar. Diluted earning is 1.07 US dollar. You can see the capital allocation program of the company until 2023. The company is willing to invest heavily in R&D and new acquisitions in the field. So capital expenditure and R&D it's high, and also wants to return substantial amount of money to the company's shareholders in terms of dividend and share repurchases. Yeah, share repurchases are suspended with the current COVID virus, but as you can see, the company is increasing every year the dividends, but the share repurchase program is slowing down. It's even suspended in 2020. Some key numbers, you can see the valuation numbers. The valuation of in terms of price earning is high in the current level. Maybe it's contributed to the low earning in the last quarter. It's much higher than an 18 average price per earning. Price per cash flow, the current is around 8, and price per book is lower than the 5-year average, is around 1.64. Return on asset is, I'm not so much impressed with this number. 5-year average is 4.6. Return on equity is 8.5, and return of investment capital is around 7%. Gross margin is around 40%, so it's not bad. Operation margin is 14, and net margin is around 13 percentage. You can see some analysis from Morningstar. Morningstar says the company has a narrow moat. So in our view, Corning has established strong intangible assets through ongoing research, a manufacturing cost advantage, and product switching cost, giving it a narrow economic moat. So some others information from the analysis or fair value estimate for Corning is 27 US dollar, which is much higher than the current 21 dollar. Our valuation implies a fiscal 2020 enterprise value divided adjusted EBITDA multiple of 20 times. So it's a simple calculation what Markesh from Morningstar did. We assign Corning a high uncertainty rating. The bulk of revenue, nearly 66% in 2080, is split between the firm's display technology and optical communication segment. So this is the two main contributor. However, customer concentration with 70% of display glass sales coming from just four customers and 80% of optical sales from one as of year end 2090. So it's highly concentrated for several customers, which is not ideal in my opinion. So I did some discounted cash flow calculation. Based on my calculation, the company share price should be around 18 US dollar, which is slightly lower than the current 21 US dollar. I did the calculation. I used the current equity number and discounted 20 years of free cash flow, and I added these two number, and the result was around 18 US dollar. And also checked the valuation with FastGraph. Based on FastGraph, the company can return 70 percentage until 2020 two, so it is not bad based on this valuation. Normal price per earning 15. The company can reach 30 US dollar by the end of the 2022. Maybe we will see what the future holds. So this is what I wanted to share with you in today's video about this great company, Corning Corporation. And the current price for me is a little bit too high. I would wait for further decline to invest in this company. The dividend is safe, it's not suspended. So if you are satisfied with 4% every year, then it might be an investment for you. But for me, I'm waiting for a lower price. Thank you for listening my video, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye bye.